Are you tired of waking up with stiff, achy joints? That morning pain can really ruin your day before it even starts. What if I told you there's a simple 5-minute routine backed by orthopedic science that can help clear that joint pain and get you moving freely? Stick around, because this could change your mornings forever. First, let's understand why mornings are often the worst for joint pain. When you sleep, your joints are inactive for hours. This can cause the fluid inside them, called synovial fluid, to become thick and gel-like. Your muscles and ligaments also tighten up. So when you first get out of bed, everything is stiff and needs a gentle wake-up call. Rushing into your day without this can actually make things worse. This is where our 5-minute routine comes in. It's designed to be done before you even get out of bed. It is all about gentle movement to warm up the joints and get that synovial fluid flowing smoothly again. Think of it like giving your joints a little oil change first thing in the morning. Ready? Let's start. While still lying on your back, begin with ankle pumps. Simply point your toes away from you, then pull them back towards you. Do this 20 times. This simple movement gets blood flowing to your lower body and starts to warm up the ankle joints, which carry all your weight throughout the day. Next, heel slides. Still on your back, slowly slide one heel up towards your glutes, bending your knee. Then, slowly slide it back down. Do this 10 times on each leg. This is a fantastic, low-impact way to mobilize both your knee and hip joints without any pressure on them. Remember, the key is slow and controlled movement, no rushing. Now let's move to the upper body. We'll do gentle shoulder rolls. You can do this lying down or sitting on the edge of your bed. Slowly roll your shoulders up towards your ears, then back and down. Make big, deliberate circles. Do 10 rolls backward and then 10 rolls forward. This helps release the tension that builds up in your neck and shoulders overnight. After the shoulder rolls, let's focus on the spine with a gentle knee-to-chest stretch. Lying on your back, bring one knee towards your chest and hold it with your hands for about 20 seconds. You should feel a nice, gentle stretch in your lower back and hip. Then switch to the other leg. This helps decompress the spine and increase flexibility after a long night of lying still. Finally, the last minute is for a seated forward bend. Sit on the edge of your bed with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lean forward, letting your arms hang down towards the floor. Just relax into the stretch. You'll feel it in your hamstrings and lower back. Hold for 30 seconds, breathe deeply, and slowly roll back up. This stretch lengthens the entire backside of your body, which often gets tight and contributes to joint discomfort. And that's it. 5 minutes. 5 simple movements. Ankle pumps, heel slides, shoulder rolls, a knee-to-chest stretch, and a seated forward bend. By doing this every single morning before your feet even hit the floor, you're promoting blood flow, lubricating your joints, and gently waking up your muscles. Orthopedic specialists recommend these types of gentle, active range-of-motion exercises because they prepare your body for the day's activities without causing stress or impact. Consistency is the most important part. Make this routine a non-negotiable part of your morning, just like brushing your teeth. Over time, you'll likely notice a significant reduction in morning stiffness and pain. You'll feel more mobile, more flexible, and ready to take on your day with confidence. Give this routine a try for 1 week and see how you feel. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed tips to help you move better and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and here's to pain-free mornings.